Hey guys, it's Alex here at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Today's product spotlight is the Sherlock Patrol Safe. Now this is a 14 gauge safe with 45 minutes of fire rating. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up and I am going to explain to you why it's my favorite safe in here right now. Now, of course, it has 6 built-in holsters for any type of handguns. You have 2 large pockets for paperwork, magazines, whatever you need. Multiple levels of shelving, including extra long gun storage here. If you look in the back, you have plug-ins and USB plug-ins to be able to access anything you want, to plug in, a laptop, a camera, whatever you need, maybe even a light system. My favorite feature is the pull-out system that you can hold different types of rifles in without scratching them up. It's easy access. You can actually pull them in, pull them out really easy. If you have something a little bit longer, you might put that on the other side, but these are full bolt-action bolt-action rifles right now that you can fit inside there. Now, it is set up a little bit. You're thinking, man, it's gonna be a little too heavy, but there's a roller that will roll out on your level once you take it off the pallet there. It will be nice and flat and hold up to anything that you can put inside there. Guys, come check out the Patrol Safe by Sherlock right here at Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. And you can always ask for any sales associate. They'll walk out here and check it out for you. Thanks, guys.